This 2021 NuCamp TAB 320S boondock is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used NuCamp is 15 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 2, LP detector, stovetop burner, smoke detector, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, TV, water heater, air conditioning, and 19 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 NuCamp TAB 320S boondock is 1,969 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.